Hello dear children, welcome to our new session. Today we are going to study about rest and motion. We see many objects around us moving from one place to another. But there are also some objects which do not move. For example, a pencil lying on a desk or a glass kept on a table are said to be at rest unless moved by somebody. Also, the walls of a room are at rest. Hence, a body is said to be at rest when it remains at the same position with respect to its surroundings. For example, a man sitting on a chair. Then what do you mean by motion? A body is said to be in motion if it is changing its position with respect to its surrounding and time. For example, a car moving on the road. Next topic is about types of motion. Objects move in different ways. For example, an aeroplane moves straight on a runway. A fan rotates and the pendulum of a clock oscillates. Motion can be classified into the following categories: translatory motion, rotatory motion, oscillatory motion, vibratory motion, periodic motion, multiple motion, and random motion. If an object moves in a line in such a way that every point of the object moves through the same distance in the same interval of time, the motion of the object is called translatory motion. There are two kinds of translatory motion: rectilinear motion and curvilinear motion. When a body moves along a straight line, its motion is called rectilinear motion. The motion of a car on a straight road and the motion of a fruit falling from a tree are examples of rectilinear motion. When a body moves along a curved path, its motion is called curvilinear motion. The motion of a car moving along a curved path and the motion of a javelin thrown by an athlete are examples of curvilinear motion. Rotatory motion. When an object turns or spins about a fixed axis, it is called rotatory motion. Example: a rotation of earth, turning of potter's wheel, turning of windmill, turning of a wheel, spinning of top, etc. When an object moves along a circular path, it is called circular motion. It means the motion in which an object moves at a fixed distance from a fixed point. For example, hands of clock, wheels of vehicles, blades of a moving fan, etc. Periodic motion. The motion which repeats itself after regular intervals of time is called periodic motion. For example, child on a swing, rotation of earth, revolution of earth around the sun, motion of pendulum, etc. Oscillatory motion. When a body as a whole moves to and fro about its mean position, then its motion is called oscillatory motion. For example, the motion of a swing, the motion of a pendulum of a clock, etc. Vibratory motion. When a certain part of a body always remains fixed and the rest of the body moves to and fro in a definite style, then its motion is called vibratory motion. For example, during breathing, our chest expands and contracts. This motion is also vibratory in nature. Vibratory motion is a type of oscillatory motion. A body which suddenly changes its motion from one kind to another kind is said to have a random motion. For example, motion of butterflies or motion of honeybee are the examples of random motion. When an object possesses two or more types of motion at the same time, then such a motion is called multiple motion. Some examples of multiple motion are: the earth rotates about its axis, that is rotatory motion, and at the same time it revolves around the sun in a curved path, that is curvilinear motion, in a fixed time interval, that is periodic motion. So, revolution of earth is an example of multiple motion.